Hello, hello! Today we are making Daisy Granny square. And we will start making the circle. Chain 4 and slip stitch. Chain 4, half double crochet, two chains. Repeat this 7 times. Half double crochet, two chains. I have 6 half double crochet, 2 more. And finish this round with slip stitch. Attach in white for petals, and petals it will be popcorn. How do we make popcorn? Popcorn it will be 5 double crochets. First we are making 3 chain stitches. It will work as first double crochet and 4 double crochets. And then take the hook out, insert it in the first double crochet or this chain stitch with the first popcorn, and take this loop through the first double crochet. All popcorns will need to have 5 double crochets. 3 chain stitches between popcorns, and make next popcorn in the next chain space. I'm making 5 double crochets to start with, and then we'll create popcorn. For popcorn, you take your hook out, insert in the first double crochet, and then take this loop, pulling it through the first double crochet. And repeat the pattern. Popcorn and 3 chain stitches. I will finish this round with slip stitch in the first popcorn. And then I will need different color, and it will be cream color for me. You can choose any colors you like. Next round will be the most challenging round in this pattern, but I will go slowly and you will just repeat, follow along. Attach green in any chain space. First I'm making green popcorn, exactly the same as we did with white, till the last double crochet. Last double crochet, before we finish last double crochet, fifth one, we will change the color of the yarn, and I will show you how to make this round with two colors. Don't finish this last double crochet. I will attach cream color with the last step of this double crochet. That this last loop we've got cream, and then finish this popcorn. And then I will keep going with cream color, and while I am crocheting with cream color yarn, I will crochet over green, so green will be inside. And then I will change the colors again. Don't cut your yarn. We will keep swapping this, so it will be little bit green, little bit cream, and we will keep going around swapping those colors. Now I'm crocheting with cream over and holding green inside. 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. It is confusing when you start doing such things, but then you will get over it. And I will change the color with the last double crochet, with the last loop of the last double crochet. And now my last third double crochet in cream. So with the last loop I'm swapping, I'm taking green, finishing this double crochet, and now I will crochet over cream, making green popcorn. I need to make 5 double crochet for green popcorn, and I need to change the color with the last loop of this green popcorn. I need to pick cream again and finish popcorn. And now we continue. Cream color, it will be 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, but we will change the color for green again with the last loop of last double crochet. So far so good. So you will just keep going, changing the yarn between green and cream. You should have 4 green sides and cream corners. Four green leaves and 4 cream corners. Now we will continue with cream. You can make 3 chain stitches, or if you are advanced crocheter, instead of chain 3 you can make single crochet and chain 2. Maybe I should have made chain 1 over here instead of chain 2, but it just looks better than chain 3 stitch. And so we keep going. It will be 3 double crochets on top of 3 double crochet of the previous row, previous round. Two double crochets in the chain space, chain 2, this is half a side, half side, next side, 2 double crochet in the same chain space, then 3 double crochets on top of 3 double crochets of the previous round, one double crochet in the popcorn, not over there, somewhere in a green bit inside the popcorn, so it should be 2 chain 2 and 2 for the corner, 3 double crochet on top of 3 double crochets, 1 double crochet on top of popcorn, and keep going, 3 double crochets on top of 3 double crochets, and then for the corner it will be 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. This is the full side. And then next side, 2 double crochets in the corner. First we finish this corner. And repeat 3 double crochets on top of 3 double crochets of the previous corner. 1 double crochet in the green popcorn, three double crochets on top of 3 double crochets of the previous round, don't go away. I will show you how to finish this square nicely without ugly chain 1 sticking out. I will show you how to make a seamless finish. This is the next side. I will pause the camera and you will finish 2 more sides. And this is when you make 3 double crochet on top of the 3 double crochet of previous round. I will show you how to finish this nicely, because this is kind of advanced level. So you pull this through, and then using the needle we will simulate this last loop. So you insert your needle in the before the last double crochet and imitate this last loop. Yes, I have made single crochet 2 chain stitches. Maybe I should have made single crochet 1 chain stitches. Maybe it would be better, but it's much better than 3 chain stitches. And then you finish with the needle like this, nicely and neatly, and it will look very nice. Yes, you will need to weave your ends. It will be a few ends, but you have to agree that this granny square looks lovely. And it wasn't so difficult. And this is it for today. Thank you for watching.